Welcome to Bez Reviews, where we break down the latest in smart home tech. Today, we're diving into the Beatbot Sora 70, a robotic pool vacuum promising comprehensive cleaning for both above-ground and in-ground pools. This advanced cleaner aims to take the chore out of pool maintenance with its intelligent features and powerful performance. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's examine what makes the Beatbot Sora 70 amps formidable cleaning machine, focusing on its ability to tackle dirt and debris. This robotic pool cleaner is designed to leave no corner untouched, promising a pristine pool environment. Its specialized systems target various types of debris, from floating leaves to stubborn grime on pool surfaces. This is a machine that prioritizes thoroughness. The Sora 70 provides full 360-degree cleaning, ensuring comprehensive coverage across the water surface, waterline, floor, walls, and even shallow sections. With an impressive 800 GPH of suction through its hydro-balance structure, this robot efficiently picks up heavy debris in a single pass without issues. Its advanced JetPulse system uses dual water jets to create 4 streams, effectively guiding leaves and surface debris directly into the suction inlet for fast, precise removal. The Beatbot Sora 70 also boasts a generous 6-liter debris capacity, meaning it can hold a substantial amount of waste before needing to be emptied. Overall, the Sora 70 demonstrates truly exceptional cleaning performance with its versatile coverage and robust suction, ensuring a spotless pool. Next, we examine the Sora 70's independence and ease of use, considering how its smart features enhance the overall ownership experience. This section dives into how the Beatbot Sora 70 enhances your daily life, from its impressive battery endurance to its intelligent operational quirks. We'll also consider if its feature set justifies the asking price, evaluating the overall investment. Powered by a 10,000 mAh battery, it offers an impressive 5 hours of floor cleaning, covering a vast area up to 200 square feet on a single charge. The Smart Surface Parking feature automatically brings the robot to the pool edge and drains water for easy lifting, while the app allows one-touch retrieval. Priced at $1,098.99, the Sora 70 is a premium device, but it offers substantial advanced features and is currently available at a good discount from its list price. The product brief provides solid details on its core cleaning power and battery life, though more specific information on filtration levels would be beneficial. Ultimately, the Beatbot Sora 70 delivers strong autonomy and smart convenience, but it comes with a premium price tag for these advanced capabilities. The Beatbot Sora 70 stands out as a high-end robotic pool cleaner offering a truly comprehensive and automated experience. Its ability to clean the entire pool, from surface to floor, combined with impressive battery life and smart retrieval, positions it as a top contender for those who prioritize convenience and performance. While the price is a significant investment, the advanced features and powerful cleaning capabilities justify it for serious pool owners.